Well, anyone that's watching my other videos, you do know that I got like a Boya mic from AliExpress. This is all from that same order. Some things came in first, so I was able to undo those and unbox those and do orders or reviews on like the Boya mic that I got. Links will be down in the description. So as on my first order, AliExpress, they really push cheap stuff to you for cheap prices. So all right, so this is the Lenovo Bluetooth 5.3 that I got off of AliExpress. Go ahead and open it up and do an unboxing. I'm hoping that it's white. It's showing the black picture on the front, but I did opt in for the white version. So these are supposed to be gaming headset, wireless 5.3. So very small. Look at that. How small that is. Palm of my hand. All right, real quick before we get into it. Okay, it is USB-C to USB-A. So it is USB-C charge. Comes with 2 extra sets of earpieces for your eardrum. And then cool little case. It's a cool little bitty case. Almost looks like a clamshell. That's pretty cool looking. Kind of like a spaceship. Spaceship slash clamshell. Guess I gotta take that one out. I mean, nice fit in there where they don't feel like they're gonna fall off. So I don't like a lot of wires around here. I like wireless headsets for when I'm gaming and stuff. I have these KZs, and they're wire. But man, these things are so comfortable, and man, you can hear all kinds of stuff with these things, especially in Call of Duty, hearing the footsteps. I mean, you can hear all kinds. So I'm hoping that these do just as good, but being Bluetooth. So we're gonna go ahead and hook it up, but I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna go ahead and put a 30-minute charge on these, and then go play a few video games, and then give you my final thoughts on it, and or my thoughts, and if it's worth it, off of AliExpress, or if you can find them anywhere else. So I got them for 488 on AliExpress. I think they look really cool. I think that light's really cool. I don't know if y'all can see that light on there. So, all right, I'll be right back with my final. I'll tell you what, I got these for 488. I think it was because it was my first order, or I was getting some kind of deal that AliExpress was doing. But they actually surprised me for as cheap as feeling as this case and stuff is. Like I said, it's really cheap. I'm scared I'm gonna break it just opening it. I wish it would stay open, but again, it's really cheap. But for the price point, I don't see nothing wrong with it. They stay in my ear whenever you talk with in earbuds. A lot of times, whenever you're talking, the way your jaw moves up and down, sometimes or if you yawn, the earbud would actually come out of your ear. These stay in there. They're comfortable. They're light. Again, I put about 30 minutes on them, and I really didn't notice that they were even there. They sounded real good. Are they going to be a Astro or my Steel series right here? Are they gonna kill my Steel series? No, they're not going to do nothing like that. Can you still pick up uh, foot footsteps and everything else around you in Call of Duty and Fortnite? Yes, you can hear people pretty good. You can hear your teammates real good. So like me, this is the mic that I use. I keep 2 separate audios. Even when I do use, I keep dropping them. They're really smooth, so I keep dropping them. But even when I do use my Steel series, I'm still using this mic here. I don't use the mic built into the Steel series, um, or even my KZs. These are my KZs. They just sit right here. I really like my KZs. Those things right there. They have the bass in those, or exploding bass. The KZs to me are more for like your campaign style type games. This right here was a mix between two. If you need, if you need to charge something, or you just don't want, you don't want that big thing. Say you have a headache or something. Something like this is, I mean, they work. They do what they're supposed to do. So, but that's just my honest opinion. I'm Thomas. Thank you for watching. Catch y'all on the next one.